Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Contemporary Literary Review India. In this video, we will discuss about the queries that writers generally have in mind while submitting articles to us. That's nice. So we will begin with introduction. Contemporary Literary Review India is a literary journal in English. CLRI publishes a wide variety of literary articles, including research papers, stories, poems, book reviews, and arts and photographies. It publishes other articles of literary interest, such as film reviews, interviews, and anything of literary interest. CLRI is a peer-reviewed journal. Peer-reviewed means the articles are edited by the academicians who have a special knowledge in a certain discipline. For example, if the research articles are on post-colonial literature, then such articles are read and edited by those professors who are who are specialized in that area. Take another example. If the articles are on African literature, then such articles are edited by those professors who have special knowledge in that discipline. CLRI has high impact factor. Impact factor is generally bestowed by different agencies. We have been given impact factor by several agencies. CLRI is at par with UGC CARE listed journals. UGC has a list of approved journals. At the same time, it has a provision to recognize all peer-reviewed journals. Here, I will show you one notification by UGC. See, this is the notification by UGC, where it says that all peer-reviewed journals get UGC approval. This means that any peer-reviewed journal is at par with UGC listed journals. CLRI has high traffic from readers. CLRI is listed with several depositories of high repute. By depository, we mean there are agencies and organizations which list academic journals for reference and archiving purpose. Our footprint. CLRI attracts more than 10,000 visitors each month, and it has more than 50,000 page views. Hence, it attracts more than 1 lakh visitors per year and has more than 5 lakh page views. In addition to our website, we have a separate blog which has attracted more than 2.5 lakh visitors until now. CLRI is also on different social media, including Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. On Facebook alone, we have reached more than 1 lakh visitors. Similar trend is also from other social media network. Our print copies are available with all leading libraries in India. For example, Delhi Public Library, National Library Kolkata, Connemara Public Library Chennai, and Asiatic Society Mumbai. Sealerai comes out in 2 editions, online and print. Each edition has separate ISN number as per academic, as per publishing compliance. The beautiful thing is that all the articles published with our online edition are also included in the print edition. Sealerai comes out in February, May, August, and November. This means that we bring out 4 issues in a year. We do not publish any article out of these schedules. Submission deadline. Some journals have submission deadlines, but Sealerai is open year round. This means any writer can submit articles at any point of time. But we do not read any article as soon as we receive it. When the reading cycle to the due issue starts, we select the articles based on submission dates. There may be case that there are thousands of submissions. We select the articles based on the submission dates. This means that any writer should wait until they receive communication from us. We can say whether any article is being selected or not only when we read it. We cannot read any article out of schedule or out of reading cycle. Generally, it may take about 3 to 4 months to pick up one article. Submission fee. Sealerai does not charge any reading fee or publication fee, either for the online or print edition. This means that it's absolutely free to register, submit, and get published with us. There is no money involved with us to get published. We have a policy of subscription. However, subscription is not mandatory to get published with us. It is important to note that we send our paperback copies only to those authors who are paid subscribers with us. And in return of subscription, we send 4 issues in a year, whether any writer's article is selected or not. Now, the important part is how to submit and where to submit. We prefer online submission. We have online submission process where you can submit your article directly to the dashboard of our website. However, there may be cases where you face some technical issue. and it is difficult to submit online. In that case, only you can submit or send your material to our email ID, that is clijournal@gmail.com. But before sending, it is very important that you go through our submission guidelines carefully. We have one PDF available with us that you can download and refer to the submission guidelines. Here I would like to show you how to submit online. This is our website URL, that is www.literaryjournal.in. So we are landing on our website. This is our website. This is the banner section, and here are the menus. Under each menu, there are sub-menus like about the journal, where we have listed the details about our journal, which is very important for you. Aim and scope, indexing and archiving, and recognition. Under issues, we have current and archive. Here we have current issue, and archives we archive all previous issues. Here we have the details about subscription to us, where you will find all the details about how to subscribe and what are the benefits to subscribe to us. Under submission menu, you will find these section: announcements, submission guidelines, copyright notice, privacy statement, and editorial team. Under prizes, you will find best papers and literary award, and under services, you have submenus. So here I will show you how to submit online. You will see a button, make a submission. Click this button. This is the submission section. Here we have listed all the submission criteria. So you should better read all these guidelines to comply with our submission guidelines. Here I was talking about the PDF that you can download for your reference. You can see the copyright notice and privacy policy with us. If you are new to this website, you must click register link, or if you already have created your account, then you should click login link. Click register link. On this section, you will see this is the ORCID ID. It is recommended that if you have written a research paper, you should go to ORCID website and register your paper there. In return to your registration, you will get an ID. Here, to generate ORCID is absolutely free. Then create your profile. Write your first name, middle name, last name, affiliation, country, login ID, and username that you want to have, and then enter your password, repeat your password, and then select all these criteria, and then click the register button. Then you will go to the next session and at the same time upload your article successfully. Thank you.